Welcome to Introduction to Object Oriented Programming with Java. Whether you are just starting out or looking to refine your skills, object oriented programming is the foundation of modern software development. Let's explore why it matters and how Java makes it powerful. Java is built on four key principles of object oriented programming, such as encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Encapsulation protects data, inheritance allows for code reuse, polymorphism enhances flexibility, and abstraction simplifies complex systems. Mastering these concepts will make you a skilled developer. Java is a top choice for learning object oriented programming because of its platform independence. Write once, run anywhere. It powers Android apps, backend system, and even AI projects. Plus, Java developers are a high demand worldwide. Imagine a coffee shop system. We have customers, coffee orders, and different types of drinks. Using OOP, we can structure our program efficiently. Customers as object, coffee types as subclasses, and order processing using polymorphism. This real world approach makes coding intuitive and scalable. Your journey as a programmer starts today. Keep learning, experimenting, and building projects. Java and object oriented programming open doors to software engineering, artificial intelligence, and beyond. The future of technology is in your hand. So, start coding and make an impact.